fuselage seems structurally sound, and we just need to address the corrosion here. All right, and the wing section. We're still cleaning it, but it looks promising.
The stress test here shows the damage is more extensive. The new design accounts for that, strengthening the joint.
Keep those paint lines smooth.
Looking good. Move the light here.
Adjust that panel to the right.
The view is absolutely breathtaking from up here.
Yes, it feels like we're in another world.